welcome to the 42nd Annual Brunswick Heritage Railroad Days here in Brunswick, Maryland. And welcome aboard our excursion train for today, provided by Mark, Maryland Area Regional Commuter. We got a wonderful crew today. We got beautiful scenery, we got lovely weather, and we're going to listen to me a little bit throughout our trip for what we're going to see, and also a little bit of whatever safety. This is your host, Sean Robinson, from Operation Lifesaver. If you didn't know Operation Lifesaver is a nonprofit organization for railroad safety that not only spans from this country to the next, but the whole entire world. Today,